2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Harley Davidson Street. In the world of motorcycles, the 2024 Harley Davidson Street emerges as a distinctive choice for beginners, offering a unique blend of classic cruiser design, user-friendly features, and the iconic Harley Davidson experience. Renowned for its timeless aesthetic and accessible performance, the Street caters to novice riders seeking a cruiser that not only looks the part but also delivers a laid-back and enjoyable riding experience. 1. Classic Cruiser Design. The Harley Davidson Street embodies the quintessential cruiser design, with a low-slung silhouette, minimalist bodywork, and an unmistakable profile. The bike pays homage to the brand's rich heritage while presenting a contemporary take on the classic cruiser aesthetic. The Street's design not only attracts riders seeking an iconic look but also sets the stage for a relaxed and comfortable riding experience. 2. Approachable performance. Powered by a 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the Harley Davidson Street strikes a balance between accessible performance and the signature rumble that defines the Harley experience. The engine's smooth power delivery and torque make it an ideal choice for riders who are new to motorcycling. The Street offers enough power to enjoy a leisurely cruise while ensuring a controlled and comfortable riding experience for beginners. 3. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed rides. The Harley Davidson Street is designed with a focus on rider comfort, featuring laid-back ergonomics that promote a relaxed riding posture. The low seat height and mid-mounted foot pegs contribute to a comfortable and upright position, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys without feeling fatigued. The Street's design ensures that beginners can confidently handle the bike while soaking in the joy of cruising. 4. User-friendly features. Tailored for beginners, the Street incorporates user-friendly features that simplify the riding experience. The bike features straightforward controls, an easy-to-read instrument panel, and a manageable clutch, making it an excellent platform for riders new to the world of motorcycling. The Street ensures that beginners can focus on enjoying the ride without being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. 5. Iconic Harley Davidson experience. Owning a Harley Davidson is not just about riding a motorcycle, it's about being part of a legacy and a lifestyle. The Street offers novice riders a gateway into the iconic Harley Davidson experience, with its distinctive design, powerful presence on the road, and the sense of camaraderie that comes with being part of the Harley community. The Street is a cruiser that not only provides a means of transportation but also serves as a symbol of freedom and self-expression. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Harley Davidson Street stands out as a unique and iconic choice for riders eager to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Its classic cruiser design, approachable performance, comfortable ergonomics, user-friendly features, and the promise of an authentic Harley Davidson experience make it an ideal option for beginners seeking a distinctive and enjoyable